So got up this morning, bad sore throat, and I have a long day at work. Welcome to North America. When you're self-employed, you need to work even when you're sick. Just my throat is sore, and I'm gonna do the egg and the black pepper. And you know what? This works even better than a doctor's medicine because it gets rid of your sore throat in few minutes. So I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces and then coat it with black pepper, chuck it in the back of my throat, and I'm gonna swallow it. So make sure it's small pieces, and then it just gets that black pepper right into your throat, and it's gonna get rid of your sore throat shortly. And hopefully you don't end up with any cold symptoms or anything like that. So here's the first one. I'm gonna do more. Make sure you don't drink any water after that. Just gotta get the black pepper to stay right there and work its way. So hopefully this will help me get through my day because I have a long day. As I said, I'm working for another 8 hours. So I don't want to deal with this sore throat. And I'm just gonna leave a little bit for later. So this is it. If you have a sore throat, you're traveling the next day, you have something important to do, you have important work to finish, whatever it is that's important for you to do, use this therapy or folkloric cure, and it will help you get rid of your sore throat really fast and be able to recover a lot faster than conventional medicine that a lot of doctors like to push first. I'll let you know how it goes later on today, and to confirm that actually I'm already feeling a little bit better. I feel like my sore throat I could swallow now easier. Okay, so I'll let you know. 20 minutes later, and my sore throat is gone. It's amazing. It's the effect of the black pepper. As I said, the egg just there to push that black pepper against your throat. It worked now. It worked about 30 years ago when I was introduced to this. I used to get my tonsils, and they're like that big, you know, like a golf ball. And I tried that, and it was instant. It's amazing. It still works every time. I do it with my kids, the whole family. Whenever we get a sore throat, that's what we do. We don't go to the doctor, and it's been amazing. Try it out, see how it works for you. Again, I'm not a doctor, but this is something I tried. I was told about it by an older lady in North Africa, and it always worked. Okay, enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.